Passive income refers to earning money with minimal active effort, typically through investments, rental properties, or selling digital products. Selling digital e-learning products online can provide a global reach, enabling access to a wider audience compared to physical products. Understanding the market for digital e-learning products is essential for creating successful online educational content. It involves analyzing the target audience, identifying their needs and preferences, researching competitors, and staying updated on industry trends. Identifying profitable niches involves conducting thorough market research to understand the needs, preferences, and problems of a specific group of consumers. Analyzing trends and competition can also help in pinpointing profitable niches that have high demand and low competition. Creating high-quality e-learning content can be a lucrative way to generate passive income as the demand for online learning continues to grow. By designing engaging and informative courses, you can attract a wide audience and earn money over time. There are various platforms available for selling digital e-learning products, providing a marketplace for educators and creators to reach a wide audience. These platforms offer features such as customizable storefronts, marketing tools, and secure payment processing, making it easier to monetize educational content. Creating an engaging email marketing campaign can help to maximize passive income by nurturing a loyal customer base and encouraging repeat purchases. Diversify your income sources to reduce risk and maximize potential earnings.